Greetings to you all, and we are so glad to have you guys back on this channel once again. Yes, my people, on today's video we are live in Alor town. This is Alor, London, and this town happens to be the town of the former Anambra State Governor, talking about His Excellency Dr. Chris Ngige. Yes, he is from this humble town. And guys, on this video I'm going to show you and take you through some of the oldest roads in Anambra State, talking about roads that have lasted about 2 decades and still counting. And right here you can see one of such roads, and these roads were constructed by the same former governor of Anambra State, who also happens to be from this same town we are talking about, which is Alor. Yes guys, during the tenure of Ngige, a lot of roads were constructed, and I must tell you the way it is, most of these roads that were constructed during his time are still motorable up till date and still counting. A lot of such roads around the state, we can count some of these roads, and they are all still quite motorable up to date. And if not mistaken, I remember the current governor of Anambra State, talking about Professor Charles Soludo, stating the fact that he's going to give us roads that are better than Ngige standard. And I must tell you the way it is, without mincing words, the roads that have been constructed currently in Anambra State are not even up to P2B standard, and I stand to be corrected. And I have proofs to know about what I'm telling you. I have proofs on ground. The roads that have been currently being constructed in Anambra State of today are not even up to P2B standard. Talking about roads that will be constructed and within 2 weeks they are already getting bad. They are already falling apart. They are already having potholes. They are already being patched. A lot of things going on these new roads in Anambra State of today, and it's not good at all. Seriously, it's not good. I really hope and pray and wish that Anambra State could have roads that could match the Ngige standard, just like our current governor is saying. And hopefully we will get that in this administration. But for now, what we are seeing now, with the way it is going, what we have on ground now are not up to P2B standard. That is the truth. Okay, so I'm just telling you what we have on ground. Just look at this particular road we are driving on right now. Look at this road. This road, if someone tells you that this road has lasted about 20 years now, you will not believe. I'm telling you, this road have lasted about 20 years and still counting. Look at when Ngige was the governor of Anambra State, and look at where we are right now. How many years have gone, and these roads are still very, very motorable. Talking about very, very motorable. They are quite good, clean and smooth. You can see it for yourself the way it is. We are live in Alor town. This is Alor, London, in Anambra State. Is a town and a village. Okay, and this town happens to be the town of the former Anambra State governor, just like I've told you before now. And you can see how the roads in this town look like. So I would love to hear from you. What do you think about the roads that have been constructed in Anambra State of today? What do you think about the kind of roads that have been constructed in the state? Talking about the road that have been dualized, most especially the Amobia road. Yes, I'm trying to pick a point. Even that road, if you go to that road right now, you will see a lot of problems. On just a new third road, you will see a lot of problems already. A lot of patches have already occurred, and even still counting, there are lots of roads that are still going bad. A lot of portions of this road are still going bad as we speak right now. These are roads that have not been up to 6 months. They have not been up to 6 months, and they are already going bad. So I really hope that the Anambra State government, talking about the current administration, Professor Charles Soludo, should please try to monitor these projects that are going on in the states. It's not just about awarding contracts, awarding roads and all of that. There is a need to follow up with supervision on these roads that are being constructed. Yes, the contractors should be supervised. They should be monitored. They should deliver quality projects. This is what will tell good about the project in the long run. It's not about constructing a road now and then in the next 1 year, 2 years it has gone bad, and you think you have done good. You have actually done more harm than good. That's what it is. So I urge the correct administration, talking about the Soludo's administration, to please try its best to monitor his project. That is what Ngige did. During Ngige time, he monitored projects. He monitored his projects, and that is why we have good roads during the Ngige time, and most of those roads are still functional up till date. So let this administration replicate such attitude. Let the project be monitored. Let the contractors be monitored, so that they will be able to deliver us quality work on ground, because what we are seeing now is not up to P2B standard. I'm telling you the truth, it's not up to P2B standard. I can also get you proofs, and I've even given you some proofs already. If you are a follower of this channel, you would have seen a lot of videos we did about the current roads that have been constructed in the state. Yes, it's a good thing to award projects, to award constructions and roads to be constructed and realized, but it's not easy it will be even worse than a good thing when these roads are being constructed and then it's not even lasting up to 6 months. It's already getting bad. So let this issue be rectified, coordinated, and let the project be monitored, and let the contractors deliver quality job on ground. It's very important that these contractors deliver a very good job on ground. They will not deliver a very good job on ground if they are not monitored. So that is why they need to be monitored. Okay, let's not sound biased or political when it comes to delivering quality project. It is for the good of everyone. So let me hear from you guys. Let me hear your thoughts. Let me hear your views. Let me hear your recommendations. Let me hear your advices. Whatever you think about these roads in Alor town. You can see what the Alor town looks like, guys. You can see what Alor town looks like. A lot of roads in this town are looking quite excellent and still functioning up to date. And these roads have lasted over 20 years and still counting. So please, let's look into what is going on currently in the state and let all of that be addressed. Let the state government actually step up on this game to see that the roads that are being constructed are truly up to Ngige standard. Yes, let them be, at least let it be up to Ngige standard. We don't want anything more than Ngige standard. Let us have Ngige standard. Yes, we don't want anything more than his standard, please, because what we are seeing right now is not even up to P2B standard. That is my take, and let me hear from you. Let me hear what you think. Let me hear your own take on this current topic. Thank you.